Already in our last video, already we have seen that is there are two important three-phase connections, that is either star connection and the delta connection. So for the star connection, try to understand. That is already I have explained. We are connecting the similar terminals. We are connecting the similar terminals to form the star connection, and the common point is known as neutral. And for the case of delta, we are connecting the dissimilar terminals. Clear? Now, to have the single phase connection from the three phase, try to understand. To have single phase connection there from the three phase, we can take a single line and the neutral. Also, we can take both the lines. Clear? That is, by single line and neutral, we can have the phase. Also, we can take the phase from the both the lines. But the applicable voltage will be different. Now, try to understand the concept of phase and line. Whenever we have the quantities, that is the voltage or current, the voltage or current between the single line and the neutral. For the star connection, it will be single line and the neutral. Then it is known as the phase voltage or phase current. When the total current flowing through a single line, the total current flowing through a single line is known as a phase voltage and phase current. Clear? But when we will need to consider the voltage or the current between two lines, the voltage and the current between two lines, that is known as line voltage or line current. Clear? So the voltage between two lines is known as the line voltage, and the voltage between single line and the neutral is known as the phase voltage. Similarly, the current between the line and the neutral phase current, the current between two line is known as line current. Clear? Now for the delta connection, we are not having the neutral point, right? So we can say the phase voltage is equal to the line voltage, because we are taking the voltage across a single line which is equal to the voltage between two lines. Here, look at the diagram. The voltage between in a single line, the voltage across a single line is the voltage between the two lines. That's why we can say the phase voltage is equal to your line voltage. Here, or the line voltage is equal to your phase voltage. But the currents will be different. Here also for the star connection, the incoming current for a single line is the current to the single, towards the neutral. Okay, that's why for the star connection we can say that the line current is equal to the phase current, or the phase current is equal to your line current. Okay, but for the delta connection, the line current is being divided. The line current is being divided, or you can say the line current is added of the two phases. Here, that's why you can determine that is the phase current is equal to line current divided by root 3, or the line current is equal to root 3 into phase current. Similarly, for the star connection, the voltage relation have the same thing. The phase voltage is equal to the line voltage by root 3, or the line voltage is equal to root 3 into phase voltage. Clear? Now, for the star and delta, what we need to have, just have a comparative study, so that whatever the definition or a short note or a comparison comes, you can write. Clear? Now we will concentrate on the difference, or we are compare the star and delta connection. So from this comparison, you can also write the short note on the star connection as well as delta connection. If a short note comes on the star, you can write this points here. First of all, concentrate. We are just comparing the star and delta. So you can also write the short note on star and delta. Clear? Now, the basic definition. The terminals of the three branches are connected to a common point. For a star connection, obviously the terminals of the three branches are connected to a common point. The network formed is known as star connection. The delta, the three branches of the network are connected in such a way. The three branches of the network are connected in such a way that it forms a closed loop known as delta connection. Clear? Now the connection diagram already I have explained. The starting and finishing point, that the similar ends of the three coils are connected together. Either we are connecting the starting point or we are connecting the finishing point, but the same four terminals are being connected. The end of the each coil for the delta, the end of the each coil is connected to the starting point of the other coil. That means the opposite terminals of the that means the opposite terminals of the coil are connected together. Here for the star we are connecting together the same voltage. For the delta we are connecting the opposite terminals. For the star, we are connecting the same terminal. For the delta, we are connecting the opposite terminals. Clear? Now, the neutral point, important part. The star neutral or the star point exists in the star connection. We can the common point of the star connection is known as neutral, but there is no neutral in the delta connection. Okay. For the case of star, we can have a neutral, but for the case of delta, we don't have the neutral. Now, the relation between the phase and line current, we are concentrating, already explained the relation between the phase and line current. There is the line current is equal to the phase current for the star. The line current is equal to the phase current, but where line current is equal to the root 3 times of the phase current for the delta. IL is equal to root 3 into I phase. Clear? The relation between the line and phase voltage. The line voltage is equal to root 3 times. The line voltage is equal to root 3 times of the phase voltage. For the star connection, that is IL is equal to root 3 of, sorry, VL is equal to root 3 of I phase, V phase. Clear? That is the line voltage is equal to root 3 times of the phase voltage. But for the delta, the line voltage is equal to the phase voltage. That is Vp is equals to VL. Clear? Now, the speed of a connection, the speed of the star connected motors. Clear? The application. The speed of the star connected motors shows they receive 1 by root 3 of the voltage. Clear? For the star connection, the voltage, the current is same, but the voltage is different. Clear? But the speed of the delta connected motor is high. Okay? As for the star connection, we are taking the voltage between a main line and the neutral. That's why the applied voltage is less. That's why the motor runs slow. But for the case of delta, each phase gets a total line voltage. So the motor runs fast. Okay. Now the phase voltage. The phase voltage is low as 1 by root 3 times of the line voltage. Clear? For the star, Vp is equal to VL by root 3. For the delta, phase voltage is equal to line voltage. Okay. Now the number of turns is less. For the star connection, the number of turns is less. But for the delta connection, the number of turns is high. Insulation level is also low for the star connection. For the star connection, insulation level is low, but the insulation level is high for the delta connection. Now the It is the star connection main application for the transmission line. Transmission line always in the long towers. You can have the four lines. That is, for the transmission we are using the star, but for the distribution purpose we are using the delta connection. Now the received voltage in the star connection, each winding is 230 volt. Okay, we are taking the line and phase, that's why it is 230 volt. But for the delta it is 414 volt. Okay, both three-phase four-wire and three-phase three-wire system can be derived in star. We can take the connection of neutral, or we can remove the neutral, because the neutral should have a zero potential. But only three-phase four-wire system can not be derived from the delta connection. Okay, clear? Now this is about the comparison between the, this is the four-wire system can not be derived from the delta. Okay, now this is the comparison between your star and delta, from where you should write the short note also.